Hello everyone, are you ready to start now? That's right. Today we are going to use if and when in a zero conditional, right? And don't forget to follow the agreements in the class, right? So let's continue now. All right, let's start working this activity to remember what we did the class before, right? Yes, we were talking about jobs, occupations, right? Okay, so you are going to match the number with the correct sentence. Okay, so let's start now. Tell me number one. Who's number one? That's right. She's a singer. Very good. Tell me number two. Yes. He's an artist. Great. Who is number three? Yes. He's a waiter. That's right. And what about four? That's right. He's a photographer. And who's number five? Mhm. Who's a cook? That's right. And what about six? That's right. He's a driver. That's correct. And seven? Who's seven? That's right. She's a journalist. That's great. And finally, yes, eight. She's a designer. That's right. Okay, good answers. Good job. Very good. Let's continue now. Ready? Okay, so let's continue playing the memory game. Okay, so you know the instructions, and now you are going to tell me the numbers. Okay, you are going to tell me the numbers. Okay, so here you are going to find, to find the the worker, no? Okay, let's start. Okay, tell me a number. Okay, nine. Ah, one. Okay. Okay. This person makes delicious food. Who is it? What number? Okay, let's see. Nine. Yes. Who is it? The cook, no? All right. Okay, tell me. Okay, two. This person is in a band and does concert. Who is it? What number? Yes. The singer. Very good. And tell me. Three. Okay. Okay. What number? Okay, this person usually writes in a newspaper. Okay, who is it? That's great. The journalist, right? The journalist. All right. And yes, four. This person uses a car, bus, lorry, and etc. Right? So who is it? Okay, you say number seven. Great, a driver, no? And finally we have, okay, yeah, five. This person serves food in a restaurant. Who is it? Yeah, great, the waiter, no? That's great. So this is a nice game to play, no? Okay, let's continue to the next part now. Ready? So, all right, here we are going to see the if clause, no? So we are going to remember something that we did also the last class, okay? So, all right, look at here. This is the if clause. So we have the zero conditional here. As you remember, the zero conditional is used to express a relationship between a condition and a result, right? And in fact, that are always true, okay? So as in this example, look at this. Okay, oh my God. If I save money, I buy a car. If I save money, I buy a car. Right. Remember, facts that are always true. Okay, what happens if you save money? So you buy a car. That is the result. Okay. Okay, so but don't forget we have here the condition if and the result here, no, after the comma. Or maybe you can change the position of this sentence. For example, you say, I buy a car if I save money. But remember something important. When you write, okay, that it happened in writing. When you write, when you start the sentence with if, remember, so you have to separate with a comma. Okay, you have to separate, because this is okay, here we have two clauses, no, that is the condition here, if I save money, comma, and what about the result? I buy a car. So you separate both with a comma. But if you change the position, remember, you don't need a comma there. Okay, so keeping in mind that. Okay, so let's see more examples here. Okay, so look at this now. If you eat more fruit and vegetables, you get healthier. If you eat more fruit and vegetables, you get healthier. Look at this. What is the condition here? If you eat more fruit and vegetables, yes, that is the condition. And what is the result? You get healthier. That's right, you get healthier. And don't forget, you can change also this sentence. For example, you can say you get healthier if you eat more fruits and vegetables. All right, but don't forget what happened when you start with if, no, the comma between these two clauses, right? Okay, let's continue now. Okay, here, look at the girl. If you don't study, you don't get good grades. If you don't study, you don't get good grades. What is the condition here? Yes, if you don't study. And what is the result? Yes, you don't get good grades. Okay, so this is very important to know. Remember, when you start with is, you need a comma to separate both, no, the condition with the result. Okay, and let's see next example. All right, look at here. Oh my God. If I get sick, I go to the doctor. If I get sick, I go to the doctor. Okay, what is the condition here? Yes, if I get sick. And what is the result? Yeah, I go to the doctor, no? And remember, you can change. If okay, I go to the doctor if I get sick. Okay, so you can write in these two ways, okay? But don't forget the comma if you start with if. Okay, let's continue here. Okay. If you have got a headache, you take an aspirin. If you have got a headache, you take an aspirin. Okay, what is the condition here? Yes, if you have got a headache, and what is the result? You take an aspirin. That's right. But remember to separate this sentence. We need a comma in the middle, even though you start with if. Okay? Yeah. Let's continue now. Okay, but let's see now. Pay attention to this part now, right? If babies are hungry, they cry. If babies are hungry, they cry. Look at this now. Carefully, please. We can use when instead of if. Yes, we can use when instead of if. Okay, so look at this now. When babies are hungry, they cry. When babies are hungry, they cry. Also, you can change, no? They cry when babies, in this case, you say, babies cry when they are hungry, no? Yeah, change a little bit, no? Okay, all right, let's continue here now. All right, look at this example. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. Right. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. Okay. So you can say, using well, look, when you mix red and blue, you get purple. When you mix red and blue, you get purple. Or maybe you can say you get purple when you mix red and blue also. No, that's okay. Okay, here remember you can use if or when. Okay, both are used in the zero conditional. It happened just in the zero conditional, yeah? Okay, that's right. Look at them. If I feel bored, I play video games. If I feel bored, I play video games. Or when I feel bored, I play video games. When I feel bored, I play video games. So look at this. We can use if or when, right? Okay, so let's see here now. If my sister drinks coffee in the morning, she feels happy. Okay, but look at this now. When my sister drinks coffee in the morning, she feels happy. Both have the same meaning. It doesn't change. Just when you use yes, it doesn't change the meaning, no? But if you can use if or when as you prefer. Yeah, both are used in the zero conditional. Okay, so let's see now. Now you are going to tell me, what do you do if you don't study? If I don't study, I don't pass the course. Great. What do you do when you have got a toothache? When I have got a toothache, I go to the dentist. That's right, and that is true, right? Okay, 3. What do you do if you have money? If I have money, I buy a bike. That's right. And okay, 4. What do you do if, or in this case, what do you do when you finish your homework? When I finish my homework, I watch TV. Also, you can say, if I finish my homework, I watch TV. Remember, you can use if or when. Both are the same. Yes, both have the same meaning, right? Okay, yeah. Let's continue now. All right, in our People's Book, page 85, we are going to see this part. We are going to read and then we are going to answer the questions, right? Okay, let's start reading. William's good at art and he loves taking photos. He wants to be a photographer when he grows up. Last year, he joined a club for young photographers. Every year, they have a competition for the best photo, and if you win, you get a big prize. If William wins, he wants to buy a fantastic new camera so he can take much better photos. If he doesn't win the competition, he hopes to get a new camera for his birthday, right? Okay. After reading again, so you are going to answer the question. Number 1 is given. What does William want to be when he grows up? He wants to be a photographer when he grows up. Okay, 2. What did you do get if you win the competition? That's right. If you win, you get a big prize. That's right. What does William want to buy if he wins? If he wins, he wants to buy a new camera. That's right. And finally, what does he hope to get if he doesn't win the competition? That's right. If he doesn't win, he hopes to get a new camera for his birthday. All right, my dear students. So don't forget to practice this part, okay? So, all right, my dear students. From this part, you are going to work by your own, okay? Here, okay, the first part we are going to work together, okay? Here we have, we should be quiet when the teacher is speaking. Sally wants to be a taxi driver when she grows up. You pass your exams if you work hard. If we go to the beach, he can sail. If we buy our tickets on the internet, we don't have to wait to buy them when we arrive. That's right. When the children are hungry, they eat a big lunch. That's right. If plants don't get water, they don't grow. All right, my dear students. Good answers. So, this part is for you. Don't forget to practice this part, okay? You are going to do it by yourself at home, okay? So, before we say goodbye, what did you work today? Yes, we talk about zero conditional again, but we use if and when. Don't forget when we use if or when have the same meaning, but this is only when you use the zero conditional, okay? All right, my dear students, don't forget to practice at home. That's all for today. Okay, see ya next class. Thanks a lot.